And the fact that you chose Fiji is one of the countries in your ministerial role that you're going to do. So it makes us feel very close. And I also like to congratulate you and the Labour government that has just come in on the winning of the general election. It has been a great victory, and I've been following the news. And as of this morning, you were short of one seat for majority government. Thank you for being in the Pacific, and I like to take this opportunity to thank the Australian High Commissioner and his team supporting the Ministry of Local Government as well as Ministry of Education. So whenever we needed help, they were always there. So I think that needs to be on the record because of the great work that they have done. Obviously, it affects our GDP.
Sorry, I don't.
Azaria. Thank you.
I hope you like it. It's very beautiful. Thank you so much. Now, I'm hoping that someone's going to give me a gift for you. Unless they are, that's a little bit great. Nice to meet you. Hope to see you again.
Okay.
Here we go.
Those two ladies first, that's from the ministry. Okay, this way now.
Sorry, I missed you.